Why do you need to make constant backups? A company's information and data are one of the most valuable assets a business can own. Just think of the damage it would cause to your company if all of your business information, such as invoices and sensitive data, disappeared overnight. The worst part of it all is that no one is exempt from becoming a victim of an accident. What might seem like something incredibly minuscule, such as a small technical problem or human error, could end up escalating and significantly affecting your system's ability to store and maintain data. Not to mention what would happen in the possible scenario of a natural disaster. This is why 75% of small and medium-sized companies agree that data loss is one of the most significant risks to their business. One of the best tools we have to keep our data safe and avoid these tragic scenarios is doing a backup, data copies, which we can count on in case the original elements are lost or suffer some kind of damage. However, one backup is not enough, and that is why we recommend applying the 3-2-1 rule. The 3-2-1 rule consists of creating 3 copies of your sensitive data every day and hosting 2 copies on 2 different media and the 3rd copy in 1 different physical location. Through this backup plan, you can keep all your sensitive business information protected. There's a wide variety of media you could choose from to keep your files protected and avoid potential losses of thousands or millions of dollars. Therefore, having a backup is as important as having an antivirus, a password manager, or constantly updating your PC. For some business owners, it may even be more important than having electricity and running water in their offices. One of our favorite backup platforms is Backblaze, which allows us to store all of our information in the cloud, protect our system files, and have a backup plan in case we become a victim of a hacker. From Nodecraft and Fortune to Charity, Water, and Streamlabs, there are many companies that rely on Backblaze services. However, there's an even better solution than Backblaze. We offer a fully managed and monitored backup and recovery service that is much more convenient and efficient than Backblaze's do-it-yourself solution. And the best part of it, both services are the same price. We are a Backblaze partner, and we'd be happy to help you set up your backup systems. Or you can leave everything to our network operations center to white glove the entire backup process for you. Please reach out and we would be happy to build a backup plan for you. Thanks for watching. See you soon.